Hey everyone, today's all about air fryers, those magical kitchen gadgets that promise crispy, healthy goodness. I've been putting the top 5 best air fryers under $90 in 2024, based on performers, price, and features. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This little ninja packs a punch. It's perfect for singles or couples with its 4-quart capacity. It's simple to use with manual controls for temperature and time. Plus, it boasts functions like air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. My experience, I love the compact size of my countertop, and the non-stick basket makes cleanup a breeze. Dishwasher safe. Chicken wings came out crispy on the outside and juicy inside. However, the smaller size limits batch cooking for families. Why you will purchase it? Absolutely, it's a fantastic starter air fryer for its price and functionality. Number 2, Chefman Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer XL8QT. Calling all families, this Chefman boasts a whopping 8-quart capacity. Perfect for feeding a crowd, it features a sleek digital touchscreen with preset options for fries, chicken, and more. Plus, the automatic shutoff adds a safety layer. My experience, this air fryer is a beast. It easily handled a whole bag of frozen fries, leaving them crispy and golden. The digital controls are intuitive, but the basket cleaning required a bit more effort due to its size. Why you will purchase it? If you're looking for a large, family-friendly air fryer with convenient features, this is a strong contender. Number 3, Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. This Chefman goes beyond air frying. It features rotisserie, dehydrator, and convection oven functions. The 17 touchscreen presets make it super user-friendly. Plus, the XL size caters to families. My experience, this air fryer is a multitasking marvel. I roasted vegetables and dehydrated fruit with ease. However, the learning curve was steeper with its various functions compared to the simpler models. Why you will purchase it? If you want an air fryer that does it all and doesn't mind exploring different functions, this is a great option. Number 4, Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer. Double the trouble, double the fun. This Chefman features 2 independent 3-quart baskets, perfect for meal prepping or cooking different foods simultaneously. The digital touchscreen controls and smart sync finish keep things convenient. My experience, this air fryer is perfect for multitasking. I could air fry fish and veggies at different temperatures without any cross-contamination. However, the 2 baskets take up more counter space. Why you will purchase it? This is ideal for those who love variety or want to cook for 2 at once. Just consider the countertop footprint. Number 5, New Wave Brio 7-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. This new Wave isn't just an air fryer, it's a countertop oven on steroids. It boasts a 7.25-quart capacity and functions like air frying, baking, and broiling. The non-stick air circulation riser and reversible rack add versatility. My experience, this is an air fryer with oven aspirations. It baked cookies beautifully and air-fried wings with ease. However, its larger size might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Why you will purchase it? If you're looking for an air fryer that replaces multiple appliances, this is a great choice. Just make sure you have the counter space for it.